I'm Cathy Griffith with Sotheby's International Realty in Santa Fe, and my partner is Ricky Allen, and we're here bringing you another neighborhood spotlight. So where are we right now, Ricky?
We are in Tesuque.
Yes.
We love Tesuque, one of our favorite neighborhoods. Tesuque lies just north of the city of Santa Fe. To access Tesuque, you would go up Bishop's Lodge Road, one of my favorite drives in all of Santa Fe.
Beautiful.
Anywhere. You go up Bishop's Lodge Road and you pass the new Bishop's Lodge Resort, and then you're bordering the Rio Tesuque, the Tesuque River, and the river brings all the cottonwoods, and
it's very lush.
Very lush. In summers it's all green, in winters it's magical. Sometimes we'll have some snow in the trees. It's beautiful. I love Tesuque because of the diversity of the terrain of Tesuque. You can have properties that have wonderful, awesome views. You can get views of the opera. Santa Fe Opera's in Tesuque, by the way. Or you can be down, as you said, on the river with the lushness and the green.
Tesuque definitely has a certain cachet to it.
Yeah, a certain vibe.
Yep, and so where are we in Tesuque?
We're at the beautiful Four Seasons Resort.
We're enjoying their fine hospitality.
My wife and I love coming out to the patio here. The sunsets behind me are amazing. One of the most beautiful sunsets in town.
I agree. Make sure you check out our neighborhood sections on the website, where we'll be visiting different neighborhoods around Santa Fe with you and sharing the diversity and the beauty of the neighborhoods.
Yeah, and one of the things we'd love to help you is with the Santa Fe neighborhoods.
We'll see you at the next Neighborhood Spotlight.